Amazon is one of the largest retailers in the country, and for people receiving EBT benefits, it's natural to wonder, can you use EBT cash benefits on Amazon? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might hope, but don't worry, we're going to explain everything you need to know about using EBT cash on this online megastore. Let's begin by quickly breaking down what EBT cash benefits even are. EBT stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer. It's that system that lets state governments issue benefits through a payment card. EBT has two parts. One part is for SNAP, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and that money can only be used for eligible food items. The other side is for cash benefits, which come from assistance programs like TANF, Refugee Cash Assistance, and other programs. EBT cash benefits are very different than food benefits. Like I said, food benefits can only be used for groceries and eligible items, but EBT cash is a lot more flexible. Until recently, there were no online retailers that could accept EBT cash. It was all EBT SNAP. But that is changing, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So now let's answer the big question. Can you use EBT cash benefits on Amazon? The question is yes, if you live in one of the states where Amazon is currently approved to accept EBT cash. Those states include Alaska, Arizona, Colorado, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Kentucky, Missouri, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New York, Nevada, North Carolina, Oregon, Rhode Island, Tennessee, Vermont, Washington, Washington, D.C., and West Virginia. If your state is on that list, you're in luck. You can use EBT cash to buy a variety of items on Amazon, including household supplies, clothing, baby products, personal care items, and even cover some shipping fees. It's a great way to stretch your benefits and get what you need. But there are some limitations to keep in mind. EBT cash cannot be used to purchase digital products like ebooks or apps. It cannot be used for subscriptions like Amazon Prime or subscribe and save discounts. And you cannot use it to buy jewelry, alcohol, tobacco, gift cards, or other items that are prohibited by EBT rules. I think it's really important to emphasize here that you cannot use EBT cash for the subscribe and save feature because that requires automatic recurring payments, and EBT transactions require a manual authorization with a PIN. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be confused because we've been able to use SNAP EBT benefits on Amazon for a long time and only for groceries. So I just want to reiterate again that EBT cash is different than SNAP EBT. But regardless of where your EBT funds come from, whether it's cash or food, you can qualify for Amazon's amazing discount for EBT users. So if you have EBT, Medicaid, WIC, or other government benefits, you can get 50% off your Amazon Prime subscription. You'll still get the same free shipping, exclusive deals, and other perks that full-price subscribers get, but you will save a bundle. You just need to visit lirlinks.com/Amazon to get started claiming your discounted membership. So, have you ever used EBT cash on Amazon before? What was that like? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on saving money and getting the most out of your benefits. For even more resources and detailed guides, visit lowincomerelief.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.